President for about 70 years. No Muslim has lived happily in the Indian occupied Kashmir. Whether they all have spent their lives either fighting for freedom or waiting to die for their cause. But yes, they have committed crimes. They are not as criminals all over the world just because they wish to be a part of Pakistani nation. Because they sought to see the land of Kashmir included in Pakistan in the global map. Because their men widowed their wives by being martyred for the holy cause of freedom. Because their mothers sacrificed their beloved sons to let others lie free. Because they tolerated their houses changing into pieces of blocks. Because they tolerated being born even in the funeral procession. And at the top of all, because they tolerated their house changing for more than 1.5 years. But I am really sorry to say that we did not very positively respond to their efforts. We all just marched few steps, huge crowds, and that's it. We approached Rostam, said few words in the favor of Kashmir. But but yes, they have committed crimes. They are now as criminals and cool down. But that's not going to make it. Thank you.